Let's talk about the claims process. At some point, a customer will experience an unplanned repair. What better way to reward their loyalty than to use their DriveSure benefits? Filing a claim using the DriveSure interface is fast and simple. First, look up the customer's vehicle using the customer search interface. You may search by name, email, or VIN. Next, confirm the name and VIN are a match for the customer. Click Vehicles and find the activation you wish to use to start your claim. Click the New Claim button and confirm your dealership information is correct on the screen. Click Next and select the type of claim you are going to file. We will populate key pieces of information from the qualifying repair order. Find the qualifying repair order from your DMS either by scanning it or printing it to a file. We accept JPEG and PDF files. If your multi-point inspection is a separate document, there is a place for you to add that too. Next, provide us with the repair information, including the RO number, date of the RO, and mileage. If you have already closed the RO, this information will populate for you. Find the qualifying repair order from your DMS either by scanning it or printing it to a file. You're almost done. Provide a brief description of the damage and the claim amount. Also, let us know if this claim is for a dealership employee or if this claim is being filed within 10 days of benefits being activated. This example is within 10 days, but I'm going to leave it blank for now. You can then print the claim for your records if you wish. When you click Finish, you're done. Well, almost. Remember, if the claim is for a dealership employee or is within 10 days of activation, it will require an extra approval step. The system will warn you when this happens. Now, I'll check the box and hit Finish, and I'm done. This takes you back to the customer's profile, where you can see they have $2.01 remaining on their tire claim benefit. At any time, you can monitor your claim status through the Claims Management interface. We hope you found the claim submission process simple and fast. Thanks for learning more about the DriveSure claims experience.